there it is. There's the world out there.
The door has opened.
Roll the door open.
The door has opened.
Door stop, Felix.
Door is open. Door stop is engaged.
Okay, item 26. Move seat to the rear capsule. Item 27. Lift legs unto the door threshold.
Door and legs are empty threshold.
Item 28. Slide the seat forward. Okay, item 29. Release seat belt. Item 29. Felix, release the seat belt. Attaboy. That's good. Okay. Slide forward into the rest position. Go a little bit further forward so we can check your chute. Your chute's okay, Felix. I say it again. Item 31. Your chute integrity is checked. Your parachutes are not deployed. Item 32. Verify cutaway knife. Handle strap is attached and knife in proper position. Say roger if it's so.
Roger.
Okay. Chest pack faceplate heat is on. Make certain that is on and you got a red light.
Chest pack light is on.
Okay, here we go. Item 34. Disconnect chest pack umbilical. Okay, do you read me, Felix, on the communications? Felix, give me a short count. Okay. Stow umbilical. Disconnect both oxygen supply hoses. Okay, are they disconnected? Give me a thumbs up if they're disconnected. They're still connected. Felix, disconnect the oxygen hose. That up, boy. All right, stand up on the exterior step. Keep your head down. Release the helmet tie-down strap. Start the cameras. And our guardian angel will take care of you. Speed 546. Speed 600 miles per hour. Speed 650 miles per hour. Speed 700. Speed 725. Speed 729. Speed 729 and decelerating.
that's very, very reassuring what we've seen there.
Roger.
That high-speed drop, and now you can see from the little dot, there's the applause.
Felix, you calling me?
He said something. Can't... Family applauding, but you can see by
Felix, can you hear me?
the little dot that he's in controlled descent.
2 minutes into free fall.
So 2 minutes.
Keep talking, Felix. Keep talking.
Still can't quite make that out, but reassuring to hear his voice. And you can see how he's in control there. That's showing you the supply of oxygen in his oxygen bottles.
Yes, Felix, I hear you. Go ahead. Roger, go ahead. Go ahead, Felix, I hear you. Go ahead.
I have been not on speed for a long time. I don't like I had to pass out. For no reason. I reached off speed now. Laser.
Still free
Felix, you're
falling.
really stable when you fall in 3.5 minutes.
Record
I
is
have been told before because my laser is smoking out. I repeat, my laser is smoking out. Like hell.
so you can understand that. He said his visor was fogging up, but he's getting to warmer altitudes. There's the chute. There's the chute. So under parachute now.
Could have done it better myself.
There's from the helicopter now.
At 5 to 10. Out of the north.
Under
at 5 to
canopy.
10. And you can contact
Floating
Mike Todd
safely.
on this frequency. Give Mike
Floating
Todd a
safely
call.
down to earth. There's Ava Baumgartner.
Felix, the wind's out of the north, 5 to 10. Give Mike
Elated,
Todd a call.
tears of joy from Mission Control. As Felix now approaches the
I
ground.
hear you. The winds here are out of the east at about 10 to 15.
So we're now at 6,000 feet.
This is Mission Control. Felix's current altitude under the chute is 6,600 feet.
Hey, I need direction.
So he has the highest jump.
We can't find you. There's one who didn't work.
There he is. There's a closer shot from the helicopter.
Felix, the wind's out of the north, 5 to 10.
Beautiful shot.
Facing that big tower. Anybody can hear? I'm facing that big tower.
out of the east. I'm sorry, I gave you the wrong information. Out of the east.
On your Felix, we're coming your way, bud. Hurry up, I need clear. There you go.
Approaching Earth.
Felix, wind is out of the east. The wind is out of the east.
Under parachute, you have
We're coming your way right now.
quite a bit of control by pulling
Right
those.
now, Mike, hurry up. Lay down in somebody's direction.
Wind's out of the east, Felix. Wind's out of the
By
east.
pulling the cords, he can control a fair amount of control on his path into this landing. Now we see that scrub earth below.
Felix's altitude is 5,800 feet.
Just 5,000 feet now, so really nearing the altitude out there. I'm not sure of the altitude of the ground.
Hey, don't come first, guys. Don't come fucking first.
Luke's making the call to drop smoke, Felix.
That means to
Wind's
drop
out of the
a
east, Felix.
smoke marker from one of the helicopters. Oh, he wanted to see, I see. He wanted the smoke so he could see the wind direction.
Hey, Felix, the wind is coming from the ridge. The wind is coming from the ridge. Oh, towards the ridge.
Art
Sorry.
Thompson,
The wind
the
is coming
technical
towards
director
the ridge.
of the Red Bull Status Program, telling him that the wind is coming from the direction of that ridge I was talking about. So he certainly got the highest jump mark that he was after. We'll find out about the Mach. Did he break the speed of sound as he hoped? There he's coming. And there you can see by the approaching shadow, he's just about there, and he's down in the air safely back. Down on his knees. What a shot. So he has the new record.
And Mission Control shows recovery crew is at Felix's location. Also, Mission Control shows the balloon has been cut from the capsule, and the capsule is on its descent.
So in there fast. He has the world's record now for the highest jump by far. Around 28,000 feet. So more than 24 miles up. Successful after all this training, all this work, all this time. There is the capsule being lowered. It has been cut away from the balloon. Its parachute deploying automatically, and the capsule comes down to preserve the data and the pictures that are there. There's
Stratos capsule altitude is
family celebrating.
4,000 feet.
Mrs. Baumgartner, friends, Felix Baumgartner Sr.'s father, all celebrating here at Mission Control. There's the recovery helicopter very near where he landed, out to the east of Roswell. Now we have unofficial word there on some of those statistics. It was a 4 minute, and this was unofficial as they got it in Mission Control. 4 minute
Mission Control
and
shows
22
capsule
second
8,000 feet and descending.
drop in free fall. So that would not break the Kittinger record for that. Would not break the record for the elapsed time of the free fall. And we'll see, did he break Mach? Those were speeds up in the 700 mile an hour mark. So I think that's unofficial and calculated a bit differently than the instrumentation aboard his
Capsule up to
pressure suit.
8,000 feet descending.
But that looks like he probably broke Mach, excuse me.